Okay, we are gonna create shark model. So first is create a project. Go to file, project window, new shark. Accept. Then after this, I would like to save this image. In source images folder, I'll be saving this. Okay. So then what I'll do, I'll go to side view. So let us import this image. So to import, what you have to do, view, image plane, import image. So we have a shark model. Like this. Image center X, which is the center. I want to push this factor -50. Okay. Then after this, I'll create this in a layer. Alpha gain 0.7. Then keep this in reference mode R, so that I don't want to select this. Okay, like this. Then what I'll do, I'll be taking a poly model that is a cube. I can take a cube or cylinder is also fine. Let's take a cylinder. I'm gonna rotate this to 90 degree. And okay, let's not take cylinder. Let me take a cube. Width, height, and depth. Add 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. So I'm just placing this. Okay, like this. Okay. Then I'll come to this view. Select this all corner vertex here. Select all the corner vertex. Make it like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It should be like this. See? Something like this. It should not be like a sharp model. Okay. Then after this, select this vertex. Just place this here like this. This is okay. Bring this here. Then after this, select this face. Select this 4 face. Extrude, edit mesh extrude. Bring it like this. You can scale this globally. Place it here. G, repeat last tool. You can extrude. Scale this globally. Again, select this. You can scale this globally. Down. Again, extrude. See, one time if you extrude properly, then it is quite simple here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a simple one. Okay. So at least you can try these things. Then I'm extruding. It's like this. Again extrude over here like this. Then again extrude, come over here like this. For time being, let it be like this. Then after this, select these faces, Control deselect, so that I'm selecting only these faces. See, it's coming properly here. Then here, shift right click, extrude, place it here like this. Again extrude here like this. Again extrude like this. Again extrude over here like this. Again repeat last tool, extrude like this. It's like this. So later I'll go to vertex mode. These vertex are like this. Then again, these vertex are like this. It's like this. You can match all this. So I'm selecting this. It's like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So later here, I'm gonna add one edge loop here. So what I'll do here is this vertex part, one is here. You need to make the mesh properly. I'll select this face. I extrude this. Let me delete this. Let us delete this. Here, it's like this. This is something like this. Let us add one mesh here. Insert edge loop, especially this this part. So I'm trying to do with the low polygon model, it means a very less model. So one I'm adding here, one I'll add here. So this is the inner part, mouth part we have done, but um, let me add one mesh up to here. Okay. So this comes up to here. And I'm gonna delete this space. Okay. So I'll extrude this up to here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us see how does this comes here. Select this V snap to grid. Select this V snap to grid. Means we need to select this. Hold V middlemost snap to grid like this. Select this vertex. Hold V middlemost snap to grid. Okay. Now this is okay. And after this, insert an edge loop exactly over here and go to vertex mode, bring it like this. Then I'll add one more edge loop here like this. This is somewhere here like this. Yeah, now this is matching. I'll add one more mesh here. This is for the detailing part. Okay. Then after this, select this model. Okay, after this, I'm selecting this edge, extrude. Okay, see, we got the shape. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the teeth part only we need to add. Rest is fine. So even in soft mode also try to adjust this properly. So it's better if you add one edge loop here. It comes well. Okay. Okay. I'll add one. So this you have to give thickness. You need to reduce the thickness here. Okay. So this part is done. Now I'll come to this part. Let's create fins. So now I select these faces. Okay. So first thing is shift right click extrude. This is over here. So then I select these faces again. I extrude this one time here. Again, I extrude this like this. Again, I extrude this like this. Again, I extrude this like this. So then place this vertex part over here. This part here. See, since this model also is having a specific details, you need to match the mesh exactly like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be adding one mesh here. I'll be adding one mesh here. I'll be adding another mesh here. Okay, like this. So after this, I'll select these spaces. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, after this, you have this, and this here. So it's quite simple here, this part. I extrude this one time here, again extrude another time here, again extrude another time here. This comes here, this part here. Similarly, this here and this here. It's like this. It's almost done. Then add one edge loop exactly in the center so that you add this, you get this output. So then after this, I'm selecting these faces. This is also done. Then remaining part is this and this. It's quite simple again here. The way how we have done, similarly, we have to do here also. I extrude this part like this. Extrude this one time here. Extrude this one more time here. One time here, then here. This is here. This is here. Let me add one edge loop here. Like this. Stop. Then similarly, this particular part wherein I'll select this faces. I extrude this. Like this. I extrude this one here. Again, I extrude here. Another edge loop, just place it here like this. Another edge loop, just place it one here. This is okay. I think, see, I'll turn off this grid. See, okay. It's
Yes,
all.
sir.
So now the eyeball part. I select this face, just extrude. So what I'll be doing is, we need to add one more mesh here in between this eyeball. That is insert edge loop exactly here, one and one here. This has to be circular like this. Okay. Okay. So after this, select this, the eyeball, extrude this, one inside. Now I'm just placing this inside completely. Again, extrude. Outside. One more extrude. should be like this. Like this, press 3, you get an output like this. Eyeball also done. Okay, see, it's done. So finally, we can add the same texture. Okay, we have one more here. This part we haven't done. Let us work on this. Okay, this is one left and right. It should come left side and right side. So we can add separately. Okay, that is this 4. I extrude this. Like this. So I'll come over here. So then after this, select this 4 face. I extrude this. It's like this. So finally, one more time extrude, which is something like this. Select the vertex, place this vertex here. This is somewhere here like this. So later, So we can see in the top view also. In W, press W move tool. In tool settings, come to tool settings. Here symmetry settings is there. Symmetry. Just turn on object X, wherein if I do some changes here, this happens on the other side as well. Okay. So let us fix only on the one side. It's like this. Okay. So you observe the shark properly and you have to do. It's like this. See, got it? So I'm selecting this, edit, delete by type history, modify freeze transform, modify center pivot. So the shark is ready. See, okay, it's all done. In scenes folder, save this as 01. Okay, shark is ready. So we can apply the same texture if you want. So simple way, I'll just show you. So we need to do that in Photoshop in that case. So I'll just select the model. I can see this model clearly in x-axis. Okay. So UV, planar mapping, x-axis, project. So that in UV mapping, this is a UV mapping icon. You get like this. This is enough. Then after this, select all the UV set. Go to image, take a snapshot. Apply and close. So later, RSTP batch to my shark. Under images, you have out UV. Actually, we need to save this in PNG format. Select this image, snapshot. The format is PNG. Apply and close. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just placing this properly. This anyhow, you know Photoshop, how to work in Photoshop. It is the same method here also. That's done. I press enter and I rasterize this. Then what I'll do, I'll just take a clone tool, increase this. So Alt click here. It's all fine. Rest I think it seems fine. Okay, then I'll turn off this. I'll save this as color. I'll save this. Then I save this as JPEG color. I save this. Then I'll come to Maya. So here, I'll apply a new material, Maya surface. Then I take Lambert. Then after this, click on this 2D texture, empty file. In empty file, I'll pick color. Press 6. See, it's ready.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
The shark. It look realistic, right?
Yes.
I'll just go here. Go to UV. Okay, see. Understood. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So we can animate this character. So just we have to do the rigging and do the animation. Okay. So try doing the model. First is always model. Texturing part, anyhow, you'll be learning again. I'll teach you all texturing. But first priority is modeling. Okay. Make sure the model is looking exactly like that. And just need to add this teeth part and all that I can do later. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Try this, Lindelwa. I'll share this video. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks, sir. You too. Bye.
Bye.